And that is one fantastic creamy mushroom pasta made. Hi, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a fantastic, comforting, creamy mushroom pasta. So easy, so quick, it's delicious. Let's show you how to do it right now. On with the pan, boil up some water, in with a little bit of salt, in with a pasta of choice. I'm using pen pasta. Give it a little. Cook the pasta, follow the packet instructions, cook it about 1 minute less. So it's got a little bit of firmness in there. Okay, let's crack on with the rest of the ingredients. I've got some flat leaf parsley, an onion and some garlic, and of course I've got a whole bundle of mushrooms. So what we need to do, we need to slice up this onion and dice it. We want small dices. Now dice up the onion any which way you want. As easy as that. An onion. And as you know, on my channel I do not hold with that really crazy let's cut back parallel cut into the onion. The onion's made of segments. I don't care what chef tells you to cut in there, it's crazy. You know, an onion's made of segments. It's one of the only things that's made up of segments, so you don't have to do a parallel cut. But you know, each to their own. If you want to listen to somebody else and do this silly parallel cut, get on with it. Onion in a bowl. A little bit of garlic. Boom. Boom. And then all we're going to do is a quick mincing. We're not mincing it up too much. It's a nice little run over the top. That's all we need. Garlic going in the same bowl as the onions. It's going to be cooked at the same time. Mushrooms, take the end off, get a flat surface, nice and steady, slice up. Now you can slice these as thick or as thin as you want, bearing in mind that they will wilt down in the pan. And then all we're doing is putting those mushrooms in a bowl. Now these mushrooms have been wiped over with a cloth to get all that little bit of sediment off there. I'm not going to teach you how to wipe a mushroom. Just wipe the mushroom. If you want to wash the mushroom, wash the mushroom. There's our mushrooms. Right, I've got a little bit of parsley here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to dice it up now. This is for garnish. In a bowl. Check your pasta. Okay, pasta done. Take off the heat, leave in the water, pan on. Butter in. Little bit of olive oil in. Now that's going to stop the butter from burning. Onions and garlic in. Pinch of salt in. A little bit of black pepper. Pinch of dried thyme in. I always put my dry ingredients in with the onions when I'm cooking anything like this. It helps bloom up the dried spice, and it rehydrates. So just a couple of minutes sauteing those onions and that garlic in there. That rawness is going to come out of there. It will be slightly translucent. It smells fantastic already. Just give it a little stir around. We don't want to burn this at all. In with our mushrooms. Now the salt we've got in there is going to help sweat down those mushrooms. We want to draw most of that moisture out of those mushrooms. The mushrooms flavour is going to intensify, and then that is going to be just perfect before we put our cream in. Okay, when you've got no moisture in there like that, that's the time to be going in with the cream. So get our cream and put it in there. Nice little stir around. I'm going in with a little bit more black pepper. We'll bring this back up to like a simmer and we'll cook it till it thickens a little bit, and we'll chuck our Parmesan in there. Okay, we want to go in with our grated Parmesan. Now we want to retain a bit back just to go on our finished dish. Stir that in there. Oh, this smells fantastic. So we just want to taste this for seasoning. Oh man. Creamy and cheesy. Oh, that is unbelievable. And then what we need to do, we need to add our pasta. Add our pasta straight out of the pan into there. So if you get a little bit of water, so be it. A little splurge of that pasta water, and then all we got to do is just stir it all through. Just in with a little bit of chopped parsley. Just give that a cooking for about a minute, and that pasta water with the starches in that water is going to thicken up in the sauce with our cream. That's it, turn off the heat. So I guess the next job is serve it up. Okay, I don't have a dark plate, it's a white plate. I hope you forgive me, but I'm going to serve this up on there. Oh, look at that. A little bit of that Parmesan. A little bit of fresh parsley. A little sprinkling of black pepper. And that is one fantastic creamy mushroom pasta made. Look at that. All we got to do now is give it a taste test. In there, mushroom, Parmesan, parsley, pasta and cream sauce. That is steaming. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. That is flipping amazing. Oh. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.